time we're gonna do I don't know.
Introduce your name first.
Balik.
Go.
Balik.
Go.
Hi, my name is Tisha. So, I'm walking. Down.
What's your favorite color?
Red.
Your favorite food?
Chicken nugget food.
Who's your favorite teacher?
Chicken what?
Teacher Rose. I have a question.
What?
Do you like swimming or gymnastics?
Have a question.
Answer me first.
You do question like manding.
What? You like tong 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 sahar or cappuccino ballerina?
Wang.
What?
Manding you too. Manding.
You ate. I have a question.
No, I have a question.
Okay, answer now. Shh, don't do that. Stand up.
At me.
Here.
At me now.
Okay.
But,
Answer first. You're not answering. Okay. I'm not gonna vlog anymore. Answer now.
I am be working. I have a thematic.
Who's your friend? Ate.
Hi, my name is Tisha.
Feeling. Shh, no pushing, ha? I told you.